Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I have another review video actually. But it is going to be a very short one. I just have like two things, a brow pen and just few lip crayons to try. These lip crayons, they seem really interesting, and even the brow pen. So I thought I'll just do a quick review video on these things and yeah, try it for you guys. So if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, reviews, tutorials. So if you want to, do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. You can subscribe and follow because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it would be really helpful for me. So anyways, without wasting time, let's get into the video. Firstly, I actually saw this on, like, if you are from UAE, you know Namshi.com. I actually saw this on Namshi, and I really don't know whether this is new or old, because on their website, the packaging, on the actual L'Oreal website, the packaging is a little bit different. So I think this is an older one, and I think the newer one is a bit different. But this is the L'Oreal Paris Micro Tatouage Brow Artist, and I got the shade 109 Ebony. This is how it looks. I got it during some sale, so I got it for a cheaper price. I got for like around 20% off. On Namshi.com it is actually for 63 dirhams, but I got it for 41 dirhams. And on Namshi they have like 4 shades, but I got the darkest one. So these are the Brow Artist Micro Tattoo pen. So this pen mimics the application of microblading for natural hair like strokes. Formula lasts up to 24 hours and it's smudge proof. It's written that you have to apply before foundation, because actually I was trying it that day on top of foundation. I was not able to actually apply, so that is why it's written that you have to apply on clean brows before applying foundation. Actually on their website they have like a newer one. I think it looks kind of different, but that is called the micro ink pen, and that is for around like $10.99. So I think this also would be at the same price point, and it is very similar. I think they might have just updated it a little bit. So I'll quickly show you how it looks. So this is the pen, and from inside the tip actually looks like this. You can actually draw like hair strokes, so we'll actually try that out because it looks actually really nice, and the color is also good. Actually even the material is like the felt tip one, so that is not a brush, but it has these grooves in it. So we'll try out that, and I'll just quickly show you the newer one which they have that I couldn't find. So this is the newer one. It looks really different. It is similar, but they might have upgraded this. So we actually have that, and then I have these lip crayons. I just got these 3 shades because on Namshi there is just like 5 or 6 shades, so I got these 3 shades. But on the L'Oreal website they have like a ton, like around 15-20 shades. So these are the L'Oreal Paris matte lip crayon. I got 3 shades. So I have the shade 105 sweet and salty, then I have the shade 108 hot apricot, then we have the shade 1112 spice of life. I have to just pull it up, and then you have a twisty. That's a really beautiful color. It is a matte crayon, so we'll see how it works. On the actual website it's like matte lip crayon lasting wear smudge proof. They have like 18 shades, but on Namshi they are just available on like 5 to 6 shades, and they are for $11.99. and I got it from Namshi, and these were like for 63 dirhams, but I got it for 41 dirhams. So I that is why I actually got. If it was for like full price I wouldn't get it, because like they are like kind of expensive for drugstore. So these are the full coverage long lasting wear matte lip color in one swipe saturated matte color, available in 18 shades from bold to everyday. Lips that last, introducing infallible matte lip crayon, a first matte lip crayon with lasting wear and saturated color and comfortable long lasting wearing, enhanced with a sweet caramel aroma. Infallible matte lip crayon is available in 18 shades. So they have like beautiful shades. Not every shade is available here. Anyways, that was all for the description. Now quickly we'll try out the eyebrow product first. That is why I actually don't have anything on my face, because it was like use it on your clean brows. So I really don't have anything, because I really don't like give like hair strokes. I just fill in my brows, that's all. I'm so happy that I could like wax my brows at home. I'm just going to give like hair strokes here because it would look more natural if I do that. Yeah, it's filling really nicely. Yeah, it's actually kind of giving me nice natural look. Yeah, it's actually looking pretty good. I mean, once you get a hang of how to use it, I mean, then you can properly use it. You can obviously see a difference because there is so much of gap here in between my brows. I mean, there is a lot of gap here, but as compared to this eyebrows, I mean, it really filled nicely and it's looking pretty good actually. I think even now Benefit has come out with the same product and the color is also really nice. Seriously, I'm liking how it's looking. I don't actually even need to like fill in with powder. It's actually looking really nice. Seriously, pretty good actually. Now guys, I'll quickly do just my other eye off camera because obviously, and now then we'll quickly do our lip swatches and I'll give you all the swatches of the lipsticks and we'll be done. So I'll just be back. So guys, I finished my eyebrows and it is actually looking really nice. It really worked so well and it was very easy. I mean, I just didn't take a lot of time to do. It filled in the gaps so nicely. I'm not sure on foundation how it is gonna work. Even if you have just a little bit of moisturizer, it doesn't really work and it slips. So I think it is better to do this thing before foundation, before you apply anything. And I think for natural looks, I mean, it's really nice. If you just want to do eyebrows, I think if you're going out somewhere, you don't want anything and you just want to fill in your eyebrows, it's really nice and very easy to use. So we actually have that for brows. Now going on to lipstick, I just have like 3, so I'll quickly just swatch it. So these are the lip crayons. This is how it looks, and it's nice that it is little bit color coded, so you have an idea, and whatever you want to use, obviously this is color coded, so you will have an idea. So that's the 3 shades that I actually have. They feel really nice. I'll give you all the swatches. I'll just do a quick face makeup and I'll give you all the swatches and actually we'll be done. I'll just see you in a couple of minutes. So guys, as you saw the swatches of the lipsticks, it went actually really well. So now going on to the brow artist. Now I'm not sure whether this is the old one or the new one, but I mean, I really liked it for a very nice natural look. I mean, it's actually really nice. It filled in my brows really well. I mean, I seriously liked it a lot and I'm gonna use it continuously because it is seriously very good. I'm liking the results of the brow pen. I didn't even use any powder to fill in. I just used this and that's all. I mean, for everyday also it is a very nice brow pen, and the applicator is also really nice. I'm not sure whether on foundation whether it is going to work or not. I'll try it again on foundation and I'll update you again also about this, but I did use it on my bare face, so it worked actually well, but I am not sure whether it's going to work on foundation. I'm going to try a couple of times also and then I'll update you surely about this thing. If you find the color which is suitable for you, I think you'll really like it, and it's actually very easy to use. Seriously, really nice. I didn't even think I'm gonna like it, but I liked it a lot. It's really nice. Now going on to the lip crayons, I just have 3 shades because not all the shades were available on Namshi, and like just the deeper shades were available, so I really liked this color actually. Sweet and salty. Actually, I love all the shades, but I like the shade Sweet and Salty, which was the lightest shade. And even this color is really nice. It is a matte crayon, so obviously it is gonna be matte, but it is comfortable. I mean, you just need to use a lip balm before using it, so it will actually be very comfortable. It's not at all matte which dries up your lip. I mean, it's a nice comfortable matte lip crayon. The application was really easy. I just wish there were more shades available. So nice comfortable lip crayons. So yeah, this color is actually really pretty. Not proper red also, but it is a nice reddish brown color and it looks really nice. And this is my go-to makeup if I want to do any swatch video, because I mean, I don't really want the focus to be on my eyes. That is why I keep like this eye makeup. Anyways, that's a different story. So both the things were really nice, but I'm more impressed with the brow thing, and I'll see if I can find the newer one, because I mean, that's not available and the applicator is a little bit different. We'll see if I can find it, but I'm not sure. Anyways guys, that was all for today's video. Let me know whether you have tried this brow tattoo pen or whether this is the newer one or not. Please do let me know if you have tried it, and if you have tried the lip crayons also, do let me know. And if you are from UAE, you know whether you can find these in other shades on some website, do let me know in the comments below. So anyways guys, this was all for today's video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.